Okay, so I couldn't figure out how to turn the camera on my phone back to face me, but anyway, let's get back to it. This is the Graco Mods 3 Essential stroller that I was saying. This is like a base thing, so it has 7 ways to ride it. That's the stroller part. Isn't that cool, guys? Okay, we're gonna put the big wheels on it. Click. It's in. I'm gonna do the other one too. Okay, you guys can see me. Click. It's in. Okay. So we got the back 2 big tires. We're gonna go to the forward. I hope I'm not gonna hurt my baby bump. And we have the 3rd wheel that goes in the front, like right here. This is so cool. Man. Yay. We are in business. So on one of the descriptions they say that you can put the car seat on this without having to put the other part that I was showing you guys. This part, you can leave this in the house and use just the cassette. The cassette comes in already assembled, so, and it goes right, I don't know if you can see, but make sure. There we go. Easy. You don't even need a manual or the little instruction paper to check how to install this. They make these things so much easier to assemble nowadays. I don't have time to sit down and read the manual and all that. So I love this. It's pretty easy. It was supposed to be like $200-300. We got it for $130. The box was not even open. I was even baffled when I saw it because it said 50% off, and that was the one box that was left on the shelf. So I was like, this is too good to be true. Let's see. I like to compare my prices. Target is the best store. I'm not paid to advertise this, but I just noticed that they didn't have as much videos on YouTube that showed how to put this stroller, especially this model, together. So love it. Now when you have the first baby, you're like, yeah, I think I'm gonna have one baby. You get rid of stuff. That's what happened with my second. She's gonna be 6 now, and here we are. And we don't even have a stroller. Besides, they make these things new every year, better, easier to assemble. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get everything new. So we got this. Okay, let me show you guys how to put the other part. It has a clicking part here. This red thing right here, you just lift it and it comes off. Pretty easy. Love it. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be doing. The best stays in the car. Okay, let's move on to this part. Self-explanatory. Down here, that's where the baby's gonna be putting the legs, right here, down here. And this is the back part. You can adjust it by pulling this little thing right here. You just pull it and you make a bust in it, and the baby can be sleeping or sitting. So when you pull it back up, it makes it tighter. But I'm gonna show you how to put it on here. Pretty easy. It's just a simple click. I hope you guys can see this. This part goes right here. Easy. You hear that click? You are back in business. You hear that? And mommy can go strolling without a cassette with the baby. But always make sure the baby is secure in here. Okay. Well, I was saying something. I'm not paid to do this. I think I'm going back to pregnancy brain. You repeat the same thing over and over. But anyway, so the bar that I was talking about, that goes in front right here. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. And anything that clicks, you are good. If it doesn't click, you're doing it wrong. So this guy right here goes inside, like inside, so the baby can put their bottle right there. Or you can move it over here. I think you move it over here. There's a little thing, there's a little metal thing that's over here. It's kind of black, but it's okay. We'll work with it. Click. You are good. I'm not gonna rip anything apart here. Okay, there we go. We have a cup holder for the baby. And in the back here, you have this little slot thing. You just slide this in like that. Okay, I think mommy's cup goes right here. Yep, good. And the cell phone holder, it's pretty cool. I hope my phone will fit in here. There we go, voila. Okay, so you pull back this down and make a bassinet like I was saying earlier. And in the front here, you can take this from down here, remove it. It has like Velcro material down there. And you pull it up. And these little snappy things, you just put them right like that. And you have a bassinet. The baby can sleep while you are jogging. The other side too does the same, but for the sake of time, I'm gonna not show that. So we can move to the next thing. So baby is too little, right? I'm not gonna put this on there. We'll save it somewhere, that way we don't lose it. But I want to show you guys something pretty cool. I'm pretty sure a lot of people get a little confused. Not a little confused, but it's kind of hard to figure out. That's the sunroof that I was talking about. This part right here faces you, mommy. I mean, I'm sure you can change all those things. That way it can be easier for the kid to look at you while you're strolling. So it goes click. Let's do this side first. Okay. Yep, that's in. And then on this side, like if you can see that, on this side, this metal thingy has to be in that little groove. So you have to make sure it goes in. Good. We are good. You don't need a car seat. You just want to go for strolling with your little one. You can just do it like this. There's some Velcro stuff here. Just make sure it's attached. That way the baby will have good coverage here. Alright. And you pull this back. You pull it forward. Okay. So, for the car seat to fit in here, you have to have this part dropped down, right? And then we get our car seat in. It has to go all the way in, and then you hear clack, click, clack, click. Okay, and you pull this part forward. When you're walking in the morning, you don't want anybody to be like, oh, you have a cute little one in there. So many diseases out there, man. But mommy still gotta go shopping. get some steps in so mommy can lose weight. Okay, so I prefer having this pulled back. This handle pulled back like that. That way we can hide baby without having anybody say, "Can I see you, baby?" Okay, now baby is covered. There we go. Uh-oh, the front wheel is not turning. Okay, I kind of have to figure this out. There's a little red thing down here. You have to move it forward or backwards, or it's like a gear. You know how you move from drive park and you have those little grooves in your car? Yeah, that's how it is. That way this can move, turn left or right. But if you want it straight, you have to move this little red part. It's under right here. You have to move it down and it goes click, or move it back up. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Oops. Okay, here we are. Graco Mode 3 travel system, essential travel system, all done. I really love this. I think I'm gonna enjoy my summers. We are this is what, January 31st, I think. So the weather will be warming up and the baby will be here, and we'll be going strolling so mommy can lose the baby weight. Yeah, okay. Anyway, the bottle drink that I was talking about, it came inside. I love freebies, man. It's like I knew it. So it comes with coupon inside if you want to buy more bottles. I've never tried these bottles. I'm gonna be breastfeeding, but when I'm at work, daddy gotta feed the baby, so he's gonna have bottles. So we're gonna do bottle, but it'll be mommy's milk in it. That and the best, it goes in the car. Like, I don't know, we'll figure it out. But I think this part will be on the passenger side, and this will be against the seat. So you can adjust the tool here, whether you want the baby to lean back or lean forward. So this comes out. Not much, but it's good. But for the meantime, before the baby comes, I'm going to be storing it down here under, okay, the other way, under the little storage that we have under the stroller there. Voila! We are ready for baby, I think. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. See how easy that was? Thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe, and I'll be showing more videos of breastfeeding, how to take care of the baby. Really, to be honest, nobody can teach you to be a better mother than you. It's instincts, you know. So I'll be making videos about that. So be sure to like the video, subscribe, and press the notification button. That way you can see more of my videos every time I post. And this is the baby bump, and it's gonna be a little boy. Thank you.